Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can transfer your NorthOne Bank account to another bank. When you want to move your business banking away from NorthOne to a different financial institution, the process requires a few precise steps to ensure your funds transfer smoothly and your business operations experience zero downtime. Because NorthOne operates as a digital banking platform with banking services provided through partner institutions rather than a traditional brick-and-mortar storefront, closing or emptying your account is handled completely online. The first step is to open your new business bank account before you touch your NorthOne account. Having the new account active ensures you have a secure destination ready for your capital and gives you a place to redirect your day-to-day revenue streams. Do not close your NorthOne account immediately. Keep it open for a brief transition window so you can handle any pending transactions. Next, audit your current NorthOne account for any outstanding transactions. Make sure all checks you have issued have fully cleared, and check that any pending debit card charges or customer payments have settled. If any outstanding payment attempts hit your NorthOne account after it has been shut down, they will bounce, which can disrupt your vendor relationships or incur failed payment issues. After clearing your pending payments, update all of your recurring automatic withdrawals and deposits. Point your software integrations, such as Stripe, Shopify, Square, or QuickBooks, as well as your income sources and software subscriptions over to your new bank routing and account numbers. Review your automatic bill pays, tax payments, and vendor disbursements to ensure they are fully transitioned. Once your revenue streams and payment gateways are successfully linked to your new bank, you can move your remaining capital out of NorthOne. You can transfer your funds using standard ACH transfers, or by linking your new bank account directly within your dashboard and initiating an electronic funds transfer. Keep in mind that depending on your NorthOne plan tier, standard ACH transfers are typically free, while same-day ACH or outgoing domestic wire transfers may carry specific platform fees that you should review beforehand. If you utilize NorthOne's envelope system for budgeting, make sure you account for those sub-balances before transferring your total available cash out. Once your balance sits at zero and all automatic clearing items have transitioned to your new institution, you can officially contact NorthOne customer support through their app or website to request a formal closure of your account. This finalizes the process and ensures you avoid any potential future dormancy fees on an unused profile. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.